So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing haul from Temu App. It's household, office, kids, and kitchen items. So I hope it will be interesting and exciting video for you. So keep watching. So I'm going to start with household items because this is one of my favorite topics. So this is the towel for hand washing. I'm going to use these in kids' bathroom. And I'm sure they will be excited about it. I'm very happy with the quality of this towel. It's very soft and it seems like all the stitches look really nice. And this is like a tiny plush toy right here that looks like I don't know, like a orange or like a carrot, which is round shape. So I will let kids decide which one they would like to use. Yeah, same quality. I guess it's from the same seller. Very happy, and it's very cute how it turned out to be. Similar item is for kitchen. I guess this is towels, or it's advertised as towels for cleaning, like microfiber cleaning. Well, the stitch is kind of off a little bit right here, but this is the hand towel. I also got it for myself for my bathroom, and it's also really nice quality. Like everything is perfect. The stitches are right. The how the piggy looks like with a little crown on top. It's a little bit smaller than this one that I got for kids, but I'm fine with it actually. Then I also got a milk bag, like for sieving, if I'm not mistaken how to say, but this is so huge. The store that I picked up this item has like 3 different sizes, but this is like really huge. Like, you know, I cannot go so far. It has like a tie right here, I guess, to tie it all together. Is more important is that at the bottom there is no connection, so it's like one piece and only connectors on the side. I'm actually thinking to make something like a cottage cheese or soy milk or something like that, so this will be very useful. The next item that I'm very impressed with the quality is these laundry mesh bags. The mesh is a really good quality, like you can see yourself that it's very sturdy, and all the stitches also look nice, better than in the mesh bag. To be honest, the zipper is also very good quality, and I also tried this one already in my laundry. The size I don't remember at the moment. I will put it on the screen which one I got, and I think those 3 were like a set for $3, something like that. Then was quite interesting item. I cut hair of my kids quite often. This is supposed to be wearing like a collar, and how you wear it, that you cut the hair and the hair is going to fall right here, and then you just shake the hair. So next item I'm very excited to use. This is kind of like a sandpaper, but for cleaning, polishing pots. So what is cool about it is that it's a roll sponge grinding block. Already tried it today. I will insert a clip of how I use it on the pot, that it's polished my pot that looked like as if it was burned over the time, and I couldn't wash it with anything else. And this basically removing the top layer of that nasty yellow burn layer that you have on the pot or on the pan. Nice is that it's kind of like a sponge, and on top there is like a sandpaper material. This is, I would say, the best purchase ever. Very huge fan of dumplings, and this is a stainless steel dumpling mold maker. So let's see if this dumpling mold works. So we're going to put the dumpling dough right here, and then I'm going to put a filling. So let's see, I'm doing it with one hand. The trick is with the mold is that you have to put a flour in order for it not to stick to the mold. Yeah, it seems like it's working perfectly. Look at that. Then I got this dispensers, or how do you call it, tubes for school. They are like very basic and you know, the material is very soft. I think like for kids it's very exciting to have tiny bottles like this in their lunch. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Tenderizer hammer. I would say that it's not the heaviest, but it's also not the lightest. Seems like it can get the job done. Then I have egg tart molds. I already have these. In general, it's easy to wash, like just a little bit of soaking and, you know, all the stuff that's stuck, and with a brush you can remove it, no problem. And egg tarts also were amazing in these molds. It's a holder for shaver, and this one is made from metal. Okay, so I'm going to put this razor holder in my shower right here, and let's test the razor. Whoa, look nice. Looks nice. I love it. Then I got these, which are not good quality, I would say, but I still will give it a try. The thing is that this is the tiny brushes for cleaning the shower head. You know, sometimes like it can get clogged, or there is like how do you call it, like a plaque or something like that. But the thing is that those brushes don't go in every single shower head. I guess it depends on the shower head that you use. Like, you know, from country to country can be different. I also got these brush. Actually, it was a bundle of two. So this is the brush for cleaning like a tiny stuff, tiny opening. So it has like a little duster right here. It does the job. I already tried it like near the windows. Like we have sliding doors, and it's always kind of hard to get the dust out of there or all the junk out of there. So it does the job, but what I expected is that it's going to be more kind of like fluffy, because this feels like you know, kind of like a sweeper material for floor. So this is all about unboxing from Temu App, kitchen, household, office, stationery items. I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions about Temu or any other question, you can drop it in the comment section, and I also will leave my code for new users, and you can get some discount off, and I also will leave links to the items that I mentioned in this video, and I will see you in my next videos, and bye bye.